everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you have just caught me at the very beginning stages of doing my Aphogee two-step protein treatment. I did purchase it on Amazon. Everybody said it smelled bad. Does it smell bad in the hair? But I purchased this product because you guys know I've been talking about breakage for over a year, and yes, I've added moisture, I've added conditioner, I've added all those things, which they do help. But why have I never thought to do a protein treatment at my hair to kind of repair it a bit? Why didn't I think of that? Because this protein treatment is supposed to stop hair breakage, rebuild hair structures for 6 weeks, and ideal for processed or natural hair. So why have I not tried this before? Says shake well before use. Maybe that's it. Let me shake it. Because y'all was acting like it smelled like booty. I don't know. Okay, so basically you're supposed to wash your hair first. So I'm going to wash my hair. I've actually started to pre-wash my hair already with my little diluted Sulfur 8 shampoo. So I've pretty much sprayed it on the front 2 sections, and I've like scrubbed those areas of my scalp. You can see I did not do the back, because generally I usually end up putting way more oil in the front of my hair in the scalp area versus the back. So I did pre-poo these areas, and I'm going to wash with my Neutrogena shampoo, and then I'm gonna apply it and use heat. Basically, after you put this in, it's supposed to get hard. So apply enough treatment to saturate hair. Leave on hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Sit client under a medium heat dryer with high airflow. Alternatively, a hand dryer may be used, but hair should not be agitated while drying. I will be transferring this product into this empty spray bottle, and this one has a really good sprayer, so I'm glad to have it. So I will be right back after I shampoo my hair. Hey everyone, so just finished washing my hair, and I'm just drying out some of the water because it says to apply to, well, you're supposed to towel blot your hair. So I'm just trying to soak up some of the water at the ends. So yeah, my hair, we still have a lot of loose ends, like others like this one, you can see it's trying to lock. But anyway, I will put the product, I don't know how much y'all need, but I'm gonna do maybe half the bottle. Already effing it up. All right, let me just look at the instructions one more time. I'm gonna start with the bottom and work up. Let's get started. It says not to manipulate your hair too much. I definitely want to get my ends. Ooh. Okay, now it's starting to smell bad. Is it supposed to be this color? I mean, I just saw everybody pouring it into their hair. I never saw the color of it. Okay. To really get my ends. That's my main concern. But I do want to work kind of fast though, because I do want to put it under the dryer. Okay. we still got a little more. So this is the amount that I poured was good for one application. Dang, and why is my foot? Oh, is that why my feet is sticking to this rug? Because this product? I'm gonna have to mop my freaking floor.
Do not use a bonnet dryer. Your hair must not be covered. Use a hooded dryer or a handheld. Do not do as I do.
Y'all, so it's been about 10 minutes or so, and
My hair was stuck to the dryer. Do not use a bonnet dryer.
yeah, damn, it's not that bad. But I also just wanted to say I don't recommend you guys do as I say, don't do as I do. Don't use a bonnet dryer for a protein treatment like this. They do tell you can use a handheld dryer, so do that. But I just wanted to test it. Probably low. I know you're not supposed to touch it, but I don't want my hair to move too much. Okay, y'all, I think my hair is dry enough. I know it looked like it got a lot of movement, but it really don't. It's so hard. This end, so hard. You're not supposed to touch it, but so hard. After washing this out with just water, make sure you rinse it all out. And if you do have locks, then make sure that you squeeze your locks. I found that just squeezing the locks as I'm washing them, like, forces whatever is in them out. Put this on wetted hair, and you're supposed to leave it on for 2 minutes. Wash thoroughly. I'm going to use a conditioner after. I might have my actual conditioner in the shower.
So here we are in the shower. I am just right at this point, just literally coating my hair with water, not even really applying any product yet, just putting water through my hair, making sure that water touches all the areas where this product was. And then I go straight into the balancing moisturizer. I made sure to put it on all of my strands. I started with the ends and then I worked my way up in sections. Usually when I do my hair, I start from the sides first and then I work through the back. And I really did make sure that this product was all over my hair. I used it very generously, very generously. And again, my important areas to me are my ends because they are still fairly loose. So here's just me going through, making sure that all of it is coated and my hair no longer feels hard and crunchy or anything like that. I really did spend a great amount of time in the beginning washing my hair. Here's just some clips to show you guys some of my length and the layers in my hair. That middle portion is where I redid some locks over last summer, and then I just immediately rinsed that out. It just says to leave on for 2 minutes, so I didn't leave it on for a long time. But also with locks, when I'm rinsing things out of my hair, I always squeeze my hair under the water. It's just really good for getting the product out, so definitely do that. And then here I am just going in with my actual conditioner that I plan to leave in for the duration of my shower. I always wash my hair first and then shower as normal. So here I am. I'm using the Aussie, like, 3-minute miracle or something. I don't know. It comes with a pump and it does really well in my hair. So that's what I'm using here. So I also just make sure that all the ends are coated. Again, the ends are the loose part of my hair. For a lot of my locks, all of them haven't began to lock up completely yet, so I do that. And then I always go in with just the conditioner in my hands. I rub it together and then I add water to it just to put on like the length of my hair.
Just took my hair wrap off. And my hair is, I would say, a good 70% dry. It's not dripping or anything, but it's still very damp. Sleep on my satin pillowcase because I don't want to put my bonnet on, but I will just go ahead and I might just go in with my handy dandy coconut milk and water. Since taking off my microfiber towel wrap, my hair does feel soft, which I don't have an issue with my hair not feeling soft. It's the breakage. But after washing and everything and removing most of the water from my hair, I did just get a strand of hair, but it's a really, really long one, not like a really tiny piece. I'm more so concerned about the tiny pieces, not the hairs that kind of filter through the lock and come out and they're like full size. I'm not talking about those tiny little bits of breakage. And I keep, for some reason, pulling out really long strands. I can't say right now if there has been a decrease in breakage from just finishing the whole process. I don't know yet. So I will continue this video on. I will continue on because I don't know, and I don't want to, I don't know, reviews were raving about this product and its effect on locks and working so well, but I just don't know yet. So I'm going to give it some time to work. This one lady was like, her hair was just falling out. Now mine ain't falling out. Literally, it's little tiny pieces of ends, okay? I was gonna say I don't have any hair on my hand, but there's a piece caught up in my nail. So there's a lot of factors at play here. Guess since I always have this part, I do a little oil and a little bit on my fingers too, just to wake up my scalp. I don't want to do too much. Not too much oil. Literally very little peppermint oil. But I am going to switch it up and to do a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil. Just on some of the ends. Now when I'm grabbing my hair right now, I see a couple breakages. Just like 3 in my hand, and they're very tiny. Okay. So this is my hair. Check out that length. Yeah, this is the first time I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. No curls, no nothing.
Thank you all so much for watching. I did just want to clarify how I felt about this product. I just don't think it's a miracle product, and a lot of the reviews that I watched, their hair seemed to be in a lot worse state than mine is. Again, I categorize my breakage as just really tiny pieces of my loose ends, the hair that has not locked. And to be honest, I'm just not sure if that's not normal. No one really talks about breakage really, except if it's really bad and my breakage isn't so horrible that it's unmanageable, unbearable. My breakage to me seems very minor, but I do notice it. And because it's not talked about, I just don't, it's hard to say. But a lot of the people that I did see doing the protein treatment, they were like, their locks were literally snapping in half, or their hair just was in such bad state, and I can see my hair growing as the months go on. So it's just, I'm sure, and I don't know, I'll need more time to see results, especially with the bottle saying that this is a treatment that you would apply every 6 weeks. So I will try it again. I will put the product on my hair in 6 weeks and see how I feel after that as well. But that will be another video. First impressions, my hair, it didn't make my hair feel hard. My hair kind of already felt pretty strong, but I can't say if it feels stronger. I think it was a nice thing to do for my hair, and I probably will continue to do a protein treatment combined with other things.